video. How are you all doing? Happy November. I can't quite believe that it is November already. Like, partly it feels like the year has gone like a good amount, like good pace, but then I don't understand how we're in November already. So I'm kind of a bit like, whoa, not ready for December yet. And there's lots of exciting things happening over the next couple of weeks I get to take you guys with me on, so I'm excited about that. But I actually, pre-uploading my end of October weekly vlog, I thought I would basically upload this video where I'm doing bonfire night outfit ideas, just in case you guys need any inspo for this weekend. It does look like it's going to torrential rain in Brighton this weekend, which did the same last year on bonfire night, and I actually ended up watching the fireworks from my bedroom, and there was only like a few that went off, and I just basically laid on my bed. I'm lucky enough that I get a view of where there's fireworks that go off in Brighton, so I did that last year. However, I have booked tickets to 2 different shows this year, so I do need to actually have an outfit that's practical but also warm. So I am going to be kind of keeping in mind that the rain might be something that happens for all of us. Hopefully not, fingers crossed, and hopefully wherever you guys are and however you're kind of celebrating firework night, or even if you're just cozied up indoors, then hopefully this works as a bit of inspo for like autumn winter outfits as well, because for me I'd wear these in like the cold winter months in like December and then January and February as well. I tend to wear a lot of these looks. So first off, this really snuggly coat and scarf and hat combo. I'm actually also wearing it's the Heat Tech roll neck top thermal from Uniqlo, and I've had this for over a year now, and they are so good. I've literally just stocked up on a few more because I'm heading somewhere snowy in December, which I can't wait to take you guys along with me on, but they're just game changing. They keep me so warm. And then I've gone for these straight leg trousers of mine from Abercrombie. I wear these in the regular length and they just fit really nicely when I'm wearing like chunky boots and trainers, and also kind of weather repellent with these boots because the water just like rolls off them. So if it is raining, although I'll probably get a little bit damp with this coat on, at least I know that I won't be like freezing cold and my trousers won't be completely soaked and really muddy. It's quite easy to kind of wipe them down. But this coat is honestly game changing. It's from Pull & Bear, and it is honestly one of the snuggliest, I think probably the snuggliest coat I own. I don't own anything coat-wise as soft as this, and probably not even jumper-wise. It is so amazing. I wish you guys could feel through the screen. Can you see like the softness of that? It's just perfect. So this is going to keep me super snug. And hat and scarf are Primark, so I will leave similars down below, but a lot of the little like fluffy bucket hats I've got are all Primark. They're from the Rita Ora collection she did, I believe, and I never really usually go in there a lot. However, these are just so good, and I wear them all the time at the moment, especially early morning when I'm going for like a 7 AM walk. It's actually quite chilly, so I'm kind of needing them. But yeah, this is outfit option number 1, and then I always go for a crossbody bag just so that I don't really have to like be faffing around with sticking something on my shoulder. It's just there. It's got my phone in if I need it, and then I'm ready to go. Next outfit, again thinking about the weather, mainly probably this one out of all of them, and the last one will be the most weather repellent for me personally, because fake leather pieces, the water just like rolls off them. So I've gone for the fake leather leggings, this jacket which is from Men's Urban Outfitters, which I'll leave linked down below, and then this really cozy jumper which you may have seen in my previous vlog from M&S. It is so beautiful on. It's like probably the most premium, nice quality roll neck I have found in a long time for £39.50, because usually for this kind of quality and style it would be like £60–70 for something like this. I've also washed it and there is just no bobbles on it whatsoever. So I've washed it twice and I'm very impressed with how it's looking. And I thought little cute hat and then some gloves on as well, which are both from Primark, and then the leggings I've had for years, honestly nearly 11 years, from Topshop. Can you believe? They are so good. I feel like they keep bringing them out as well, so hopefully I'll be able to link them. But also kind of I've been keeping in mind capsule pieces for me that you guys might already have, or like ways that you'd be able to recreate these outfits as well. So any like even of those like fleece leggings that you guys might have, or if you have thermal leggings, you could put actual kind of like stretchy leggings over the top of those to get the same kind of effect with like chunky boots. Next up, I have gone for all the neutral kind of tones to this outfit, and this super fluffy scarf, hat and glove combo, which are all again from Primark. Like I said, I'm just a bit obsessed with all these pieces that they're doing at the moment. Like, this is ridiculously soft. This is, oh, I can't even explain. Like, it feels like a dream, and the hat is just so cute. I thought this would be lovely for like a snowy day out. somewhere as well, which will be fun. But the coat I've had for a couple of years, and I just thought this with like black accessories is a nice way if you guys have neutrals in your wardrobe, just going with like your favorite fake leather trousers or leggings, chunky boots, and then just going for your snuggly pieces, your favorite long coat, and then kind of tying in with the accessories if you want to. Part of me might not even wear the bag with this outfit if I go for this one. I might just put my phone in my pocket because I feel like it looks a bit mismatched and might potentially look better if I just have it as the cream tones with the black leggings and boots underneath. But I feel very warm in this one. I do actually have a roll neck jumper on underneath just to keep me super snug, and then I've got the thermal top underneath. So currently in my bedroom, very, very warm, but this will be great when I'm out till quite late, especially because on the Friday, the show that I have is till like 12 because they're doing them between 10 and 11 on the seafront. So I feel like this will be a good one for that. Possibly the most practical one I'm going to share in this video, if it does rain, is just going for my North Face puffer with the thermal and then the leggings and the boots. This North Face has probably been the best money I've ever spent on a coat. I think it was like £200, but I've had it for nearly 5 years and it's just incredible. You can put it in the washing machine. It's for like keeping warm but also dry, and it's their like women's fleece styled one, which is just so good. It's also really nice shape. I was always borrowing my dad's or my sister's or my boyfriend's, and they all have the men's North Face fitted like pullover and zip up one, whereas this one is really padded on the inside. Let's see if I can show you guys a bit clearer here, but it's like that padded material, so it keeps you so warm. So I only need like my thermal on underneath, and I feel like this is perfect. I am really hoping it doesn't rain for us all, but I'm just trying to think as practically as possible. Although this is quite boring, this is just probably what I might potentially have to go for. Currently, one of my favourite hat and scarf combos to like elevate all of my neutral outfits. This next outfit, I am styling my absolute fave, spot tights and fake leather shorts. Now, some of you may be thinking, that's too cold for this time of year. However, I get really warm. Anyone that knows me, any of my friends, even Chloe just voice noted me and said, she's like, oh, I'm really cold today. Make sure you wrap up for Tullies tonight, because I've got Tullies tonight for Halloween. And she then ended it with, oh, you're actually probably warm already, because I am. I'm just always warm. So I always wear like tights and shorts a lot of the time in winter and January and Feb. And this is one of those outfits that I continuously wear because I feel like it's quite cute, put together, but also a bit more practical. Like the fake leather jacket, just again, water runs off it. I'm super cozy. I've got my thermal on. And also if it does, I know I keep going on about it, but if it does rain, you don't really notice when you're wearing tights because your legs are just a bit damp, but you can't really see if you're wearing jeans, and obviously they get absolutely soaked. So this again for me is one of those practical options, but I am swaying towards this outfit for Tullies tonight. So although this could be a bonfire night option for me, I am also quite tempted for Halloween night for me to wear this, because I feel like this is kind of, I guess, a little bit, it's not Halloweeny, but it's red. So I'm gonna say it's Halloweeny for Tullies, and it's keeping me quite snug. So this could be an option for that too. Next outfit, and I think the last one for this video, otherwise I'm going to get carried away and end up doing like 30 again like I usually do in my styling videos, but I thought I would go for a full neutral outfit. Again, my thermal roll neck, I haven't actually taken this off with any of these outfits because it's definitely one I'm going to wear. And then fake leather shorts again, normal coloured tights. These are actually 20 denier, and I have just went and bought some more because these are super old and I've had them for like 4 years, and you can kind of see that I've had them for 4 years. So I did go and get some more, but I haven't put them on yet because I'm scared I'm going to rip through them with my nails already. So I'll leave those linked down below. And then this coat is really old new look, so again I'll leave alternatives, but thought this could work nicely if you guys have any like neutral outfits and then your favourite kind of detailed coat or pop of colour coat, whatever it is. I feel like it's nice just having that as like the main focus point of the outfit. And then I have gone for my little cozy earmuff accessories and these little hand warmers. So I've had these for over a year. These also come with a white pair from Amazon, and I had them when I went skiing, and they were just so handy when I wasn't on the slopes, when I was like out and about and we were at lunch and I was still really cold, because I ended up a lot of the time using them as like wrist warmers and then I'd like put them back on as mittens, and then I could like go on my phone and take photos and everything. So they're really soft and really handy. And I also got a matching headband as well with these. And then I've gone for my high knee boots from Zara because I feel like these are quite good. They're like welly boots and they're just perfect again if it's like really muddy wherever I'm going. So I thought these would be great just in case I'm gonna get muddy and rained on as well. But anyway, that is all the outfits that I thought I'd put together. Hopefully work as like a little bit of inspiration for you guys in like all those pieces in your wardrobe. Of course, I'll leave like alternatives and similars linked down below, but I feel like I have mentioned where everything was previously from, fingers crossed. If I haven't, then do just comment and let me know if there's something you guys are after, because I always say if there's something like this, for example, that is really old, like 3 seasons ago I want to say this is, then definitely check out Vinted. I feel like Vinted is great at finding loads of gems and being able to like find lots of similars and old season pieces on there in lots of different sizes. So if I haven't mentioned something, do let me know, and if there's anything you guys want to see, then also let me know as well down in the comments. And yeah, hopefully you guys have the loveliest firework night and bonfire night, or whatever you're doing. If you're just getting cozy, hope you have the loveliest evening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Lots of love. Mwah. Bye.